Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you are new here, my name is Preet. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hairstyling video. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how you can quickly curl your hair using a straightener. You can actually make loose curls using a straightener and it is super easy. It just not takes more than like 5 to 10 minutes and it gives you a super bouncy voluminous hair. So let's get started and let me show you guys how I do that. And this is definitely one of my major hairstyling. I always love doing this. Without wasting the time, let's get into the video. Now there are times when we don't wash our hair and we don't have time in our hair and when we can wash our hair. So one thing which I always love doing is I always use dry shampoo and it is my lifesaver product. I always keep that with me. Now evenly I apply that dry shampoo on my roots and then I massage the scalp so that the product is equally distributed on my entire scalp or roots, I should say. Now once that is done, using a comb I will be brushing my hair again to make sure that the product is equally distributed on my entire hair and hair ends. I'm going to be taking few sections from the crown area and I will be making a very loose bun. Using a rubber band I will be securing that bun. Now I like to divide my hair for either curling or straightening my hair, so this is the first step which I do. I just make a very loose bun and then the half hairs which are left is I always first of all make sure I brush them and then I always use a heat protection spray. So today I'm using a Treseme's heat protection spray. I will be very evenly applying it on the few strands of my hair and then using a comb I will be brushing my hair so that there are no tangles and the product is equally distributed on my hair. Now using a straightener, you can use any straightener. I will be start twisting that straightener, like I will be rolling my hair in that straightener and start twisting it up so that it can form a curl. I'll leave it on for like 10 seconds more, not more than that. I'll do the same thing on my other side, like I'll take few strands of my hair and again comb them and then I will be start twisting the straightener and then just leave it on for like not more than 8 to 10 seconds and that's how you do it, guys. It's super easy, does not take too much time. Whenever you're running late, you can definitely try out this thing or try out this particular hack because it definitely works. It definitely makes your hair super voluminous, super bouncy. One side is almost done. I'm going to be showing you how I do the upper hairs of my head. Now I just make sure that I gather all the hairs which are done on the one side and the remainings on the other side. The same steps you have to take. Evenly apply the heat protection spray on your hair and then use a comb to brush your hair, use the straightener, twist it up and your curl is done. Now follow the steps which I am doing. It's super easy and I think anyone can do it. You do not need any particular like step-by-step instructions to do it. You can definitely do it the way you like it, but this is how I do it. That's why I'm sharing these steps with you guys. All the hairs are done. I make sure I just run my fingers into my hair so that it loosen up my curls and makes my hair look super bouncy and adds volume to my hair. So that's it, you guys. Did you see that last look? It looks so classy, super voluminous and so glamorous at the same time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. In case you guys did, make sure you share it with your friends and like this video. I'm going to catch you guys super soon with a brand new video, but till then, take care, stay safe, bye.